There was actually a little bit of fear pumped into the market yesterday. We actually saw retail get spooked a little bit. We saw the price of ADA drop. We saw the price of BTC actually pull back to the 68K range. I mean, this is what sent us on our drop in terms of ADA, made us break our trend line, which is unfortunate. Now, the great thing is that we actually showed some strength up here. We dipped into this lower level of liquidity, but we bounced right out of it. So right now, we're actually still looking pretty good in the charts. We got to fight and get, back above this trend line, fight and break through these moving averages, which I think we have potential to do today. Again, right now, BTC is sitting in the 70K range. We got a chance of liquidating some shorts up here. So let's hope that that happens. Now, the big nothing burger, we'll call it, that hit the markets yesterday was this SEC scores big win in lawsuit against crypto exchange Coinbase. I hate articles like these because this was not a big win at all. In fact, it was a big nothing burger. Some retail people got spooked and sold, and it's unfortunate if you did, because all that happened was that Coinbase had requested this case be thrown out, and basically the judge just said no. I wouldn't call that a big win, because guess what? The SEC hasn't had much luck in these cases in the first place. So the big problem here is that in this case, the SEC needs to prove that the underlying assets that have been sold on Coinbase constitute unregistered securities, which they have not had a very good record of ever. I don't think they've ever been able to prove one is actually an unregistered security. They were very close with the library case, right? But then it came out that the token itself is not an unregistered security. So the SEC has not been making much headway in this at all, which means that even if this case does not get thrown out, they're fighting an uphill battle the whole way. Right. And the problem they also have is if the conclusion of the Ripple v. SEC case happens before the conclusion of the SEC v. Coinbase case, then we have a precedent where, again, XRP is not an unregistered security. It's already sets the big precedent and the big ruling that could be used across the entire industry. Hopefully people are following what I'm saying. This was, again, a big nothing burger. It was basically a bunch of just crap being thrown out there. I don't know if it was necessarily to try to influence the market, but again, we definitely did see some influence. We saw a drop. It gave people opportunities. I love days like that. I love acquiring. I unfortunately am on vacation. I'm actually not. I'm here at the house right now, but I keep going back up to where they are. I have some stuff to get done at the property here, unfortunately, but yeah, that's what we dealt with yesterday. I would not be surprised if we have a nice rally today. Okay, this is not financial advice. This is not a guarantee, but ADA does want to move up. That's why we got our bounce off of this lower box. We did not re-enter it. Right now, retail is trying to push the markets higher. Institutional money is stepping in, trying to push the markets higher. We're getting the right setup for bigger pushes to the upside, new all-time highs in terms of BTC. If this happens, I would not be surprised if ADA starts trying to tackle some of these higher levels and really does try to extend and try to set a new cycle high itself. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Again, don't be persuaded one way or the other by this news that came out yesterday. It was a whole lot of nothing. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.